Goop goop get in. Goop goop get in. Goop goop get in. Goop goop get in. Spider.
He is our hero.
Spider. Get rid of. Spider.
Step on Spider.
Spider.
We love you, Spider.
Deacon, what are you doing?
I'm just sitting here.
You're sitting there?
Yes.
Why? What's going on, man?
What's going on?
Why are you sitting there?
Because I'm sad right here. I just got there sad.
Why are you sad?
And because I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm sad. Since on this person, then I'd be sad.
Why are you sad, buddy?
Because I'm gonna go ask my mom.
You're gonna go ask your mom?
Yeah.
What are you gonna ask her? Ask her about what, buddy?
My mama.
But ask her about what?
My papa.
Oh. Don't be sad, be happy. I'm here to play with you. What was that?
Can I see
What do you want to see?
me?
You want to see you?
Yeah.
What do you think I'm doing? Taking a picture? Yeah? You think I'm taking a picture of you?
Let's see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah, let's see Deacon.
Okay, let's see. Deacon, what are you doing, buddy?
Let's see me.
Wait, not yet. You gotta sit down.
Hmm.
But you gotta be happy. I don't want you to be sad anymore.
Yeah, I can be happy.
Yeah, what are you happy about? Huh? Why are you happy?
Because I'm let's see me.
Deacon, whose bed is that?
What?
Whose bed is that behind you?
What?
Whose bed is that?
Rebel's weekend.
Grandma Rodriguez?
Yes. Rebel weekend bed.
Oh. But how come I'm sleeping in it?
What?
But I'm sleeping in it. So isn't it my bed?
Sorry, sister, bed. Oh, my creep's that way upstairs.
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm just fixing this.
What is it?
It's just a black, it's just white, it's just a white card.
It's just a race car?
No, it's just a white card.
Let me see. Okay. That's cool. Oh, thanks.
Yes, it's white. This is not white.
You're so helpful, Deke.
Yes. Look later. Look later.
That looks tricky.
What?
That looks tricky.
That's a tricky.
Yeah, it looks tricky. Are you getting it?
Yes, I did it.
Let me see. Oh, awesome. Now what?
Now do the double one.
Do the other one?
Yeah. Can you help me? I can't do it.
Are you frustrated?
Yes.
You're a little frustrated.
I got it.
Deacon, we have to get ready to go.
Oh.
Do you remember where we're going?
Where?
You know where we're going.
Where's the A?
To the YMCA. And what are you going to do when we get there?
Go home.
What? Oh, sick. We need to wipe your nose off. Can Can you go get me some tissue paper?
Okay.
Some toilet paper?
I'm gonna get a little taste.
Go get some toilet paper and I'll blow your nose.
Okay. I just got bigger one. That's another one.
Did you bring me some? Did you blow your own nose?
Yes.
Good job. I thought you were going to bring me some. Oh, you bring me some. I still need to help you.
I'm just doing this. That's all.
What? What's all?
What?
What? What are you talking about?
I'm gonna grasp my mama. Can you do this? Just fix this.
Okay. I'll work on that.
Okay. Now just take your picture. Like, just take your camera right there.
Okay.
Right there.
You want me to set it down?
And he's gonna ask my.
Who is that?
Truman.
It is Truman. Wait, shh. Be really quiet. What's he doing?
This I'm doing it.
Oh, sick, Deke.
What are you do?
What's he doing?
What happened?
What are you doing, baby?
You're doing, baby.
It's so funny.
Yeah. Who's sleeping? Who's sleeping?
Truman, where are you? Peekaboo! Where's Truman? Peekaboo! You're so cute. You're so cute.
So funny.
Where's Truman? Where is he? Peekaboo!
These moves are hard. I can do them.
Do it, Deacon.
Okay. Nothing. Okay.
Everybody is
Faster, Deacon! Faster, Deacon, faster! Is he eating something? There's something in his mouth. Oh my gosh. Deacon, what are you eating? Deacon, come here. What? Whoa, whoa. What's in your mouth, buddy? What? A Pop-Tart? Popcorn? Truman, what are you doing, buddy? Who are you talking to, buddy? Who are you talking to, huh? You do it with another one? You like that one? Let me see. Oh! Let me do it this one. Let me see. Ready? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me do it again. What'd you find? What'd you find in there, huh? Nothing. They cleared it out. Did you just knock your head on it? Did you? Let me do it. Ow, 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 ow. Are you gonna do it? What's in there? Huh? What is it? Uh-oh. Truman? No. I think you know better. Gotta close it. Close the cabinet, Truman. Truman. Gotta close the cabinet, buddy. Truman. No. Truman. 1, 2. I got you, my funny baby. I got you, my funny. Oh my goodness, you are the cutest. Excuse me. Hello. Excuse me. This looks like some mischief right here. What you doing, buddy? Truman. Better close that right up. Thank you. You open it now? I know you're gonna figure it out.